Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to update Friendster on Apple. So to start, close the app first and go to App Store. So in here, what you need to do is to click the search bar or search button and search for Friendster. So open it, click the second one. Now in here, you should see an update button if you need to update the app and just click on it and your app will be updated. Next method, you can also press and hold the app. So you can delete the app first and reinstall it again. So this is what you can do if you don't see the update button. So once done or once updated, you can then open the app. So sign in. So click on continue. You can sign in with Apple or do it later and write your first post. So this is where you can write your post. You can add photos. You can tag someone. So basically, it's just like Facebook. So type in your post in here. You can add emojis. So click on post if you're done, and it will be posted to your timeline. So your friends can interact with it. They can click the plus sign and choose a reaction. You have heart emoji, fire emoji, shocking emoji, like emoji, etc. You can also add your friends in here. So just click on add friend. You can also share your QR code. You can send them a message. You can add your profile picture in here by clicking edit profile and tap on choose photo and click on save. You can change your name and your bio in here too. And that's basically it. And if this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.